My name is Debbie Gallimore. I am the Installation Training Coordinator and Sponsorship Liaison for U.S. Army Garrison. The Army regulation used for sponsorship is AR 608-8, and we also use the database for sponsorship in the Army Career Tracker. There is a sponsorship module that tracks incoming and outgoing soldiers and sponsorship duties as well. Sponsors have an adequate time to do their jobs without interference and doing it correctly. And other issues are that they may not have the correct motivation to be a sponsor. In my opinion, it does. I hear success stories every day. Of course, there are times when a sponsor is not doing his job, but overall, sponsors have been in a sponsoree seat before, so they know what is required of them. The requirement is being in tune with your incoming personnel, knowing their needs, whether it be housing for a family, childcare for a family that has children, or just getting a driver's license prior to getting over here, things that make the transition easier. Sponsorship Rodeo is to let the community know how important sponsorship is to us. You are. I would say you, everyone is the target. We want everyone to be involved in sponsorship.